So here is the view from my window. As you can see, the entire skyline of Delhi from here. This is the beautiful statue that you can see. It's right in mid of the hotel. The hotel is really beautiful. And so much of greenery all around. Plenty of trees. And I love the skyline. The skyscrapers. Everything is so beautiful from here. And yeah, that's the room. The room is quite cozy. And if you have been to a Rose, you would get to know it. This is. Ta-da. Okay. This is the washroom area. That's the coffee area. And that's how the room looks like.